Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. It was bright and sunny 5 minutes ago. And now the wind is blowing stupid hard and there are dark clouds everywhere. Welcome to Texas weather. All of a sudden got a severe thunderstorm warning just out of nowhere. The lights are all flickering on and off in the house. And the temperature just dropped about 10 degrees. This is gonna be a nasty one. You can just hear that wind gusting and swirling around, blowing two different directions at times. Wind chime going crazy. More Texas weather updates to come.